I'm Uriel Castro from AVACOM. Visit avacomworld.com. We're dedicated, as you know, for digital ecosystems related to education. So what we have here is our star in the ecosystem, which is the board. This is 86 inches in total. So in here, what we are showing is the LMS, where we have all the content preloaded for the lessons. Could be basic education, universities, high school, whatever we want. In this case, what we are showing is that, for example, it could be interacting more than one person. In this case, are 4, and it can be easily going. We can show you over here the other board. These are the devices that we have for the professors, but in this case, what we are showing is one of the little things, and those are kind of interactive. This is an addition, 4 plus 3, and if it's correct, it's actually congratulating the students, and everything is preloaded, can work offline, online, not dependent on internet, and that's one big differentiator that we are actually having. This can be interacting with different students, one or more at the same time. Usually what we have here is in a board, but also depending on the demand or the project, we can put it in a table as it's needed. So thanks for visiting us.